Now that you've logged in, your first view will normally be the Home tab. Your screen may look different to mine because your administrator may have customized it for you, so the items displayed might vary depending on your customization. However, the functionality that I'm going to show you will be the same. So let's look at the Home page. The Home page is where you can easily see what needs to be actioned, what is coming up, and your personal performance. The navigation bar is a container that will display a set of items and functionality. So you'll see Home, Opportunities, Leads, Tasks, and just about everything that is available to you. You can also click the More tab for extra items that aren't displayed. And you can also customize the navigation bar by clicking the pen icon to the right. Here you can rearrange the items. The App Launcher allows you to switch between apps. Apps are a grouping of tabs which are assigned to your user profile. You'll be granted access to the apps you need relevant to your job and the functionality you use in Salesforce. Search is found at the top of every page and allows you to search for records, files and chatter groups, etc. And we'll look at searching in more detail in a later tutorial.